Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 Premier Sunsation Angler. This is an awesome boat with some great features for you fishermen out there. We're going to take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we take a step inside of this boat, we have some really awesome features for you fishermen back here. We have a full table back here with bait bucket, as well as aerated live well right here, tackle storage all throughout, and rod holders as well. We do have a Mercury 150 on the back of this boat with a tow bar and everything, so you guys can do your wakeboarding, tubing, whatever you guys want to out there on the water, as well as having two really comfortable seats back here. One of the coolest features on these Premiers is the removable side right here. This door just swings all the way open, and you have a really good casting platform right here. As we take a step inside of the boat, you can see on our helm, we have our raised helm from Premier. Makes it really easy to see over whenever you guys are parking the boat. You guys do have your Simrad that's going to have your chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything right there, as well as your Clarion stereo, so you're going to have Bluetooth audio and RGB lighting and everything right here on the helm. Makes it really easy for the driver. We have this nice lounge seating with storage underneath all of it as well. And then as we step forward into the bow, you can see we also have in-floor storage. You guys are going to be able to put your boards or skis, whatever you want down there. And then you guys have these loungers right here as well, really comfortable facing forward, and again, storage underneath and recessed cup holders as well. Again, this is a Premier Sunsation Angler here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call. We can get you squared away.